Good morning, kids. Welcome to the class nursery of the St. Mary's Convent School, Marian Nagar. So, let's start our English class. So, first we do oral. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So today we learn letter guess U. Very good. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. What is this? U for umbrella. Now, what is this? Uncle. U for uncle. What is this? Urn. Now again recall. U for umbrella, U for on, U for uncle. So let's start. Good morning, kids. Today we learn a new letter. Which letter? U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Okay. So after T, what will you write? U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Okay. U for umbrella. Now students, take out your book. Which letter is this? U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. Don't say chhata. It's umbrella. It's umbrella. U for umbrella. U for utensils. Utensils means bartan. What is this? U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for utensils. Utensils means bartan. What is this? Utensils. Utensils means bartan. U for uncle. U for uncle. U for uniform. U for uniform. जब आप स्कूल आते हो तो आप क्या पहन के आते हो? यूनिफॉर्म ना. U for uniform. U for uniform. U for uniform. U for urn. U for urn. U for under. U for under. See here, one child is sitting under the table. Yes, na? Under the table. Now again recall. U for umbrella. Umbrella. जब रेन आती है तो आप क्या यूज करते हो? Umbrella. U for umbrella. U for utensil. U for utensil. U for uncle. U for uncle. U for uniform. U for uniform. U for urn. U for under. U for under. So students, a red color notebook. Which color? Red color. The date on the left hand side. On the left hand side, mention the date .2020. What day is today? Wednesday. What day is today? Wednesday. On the very right hand side, write down C.W. What is this? Umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. You have to decorate this umbrella. Okay. Like, see here, ma'am is decorating. See, with the help of stones, stars. Okay. You have to color it or decorate it. Okay. Now let's start how to write letter U. First you have to make from upper red line till blue line. First you have to make standing line, then make a turn, then go up like this. U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. You have to make it in flow. U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Speak out with me. U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Okay, so on the next page you have to find out where is letter U and circle it. Okay, where is U? You have to find out and circle it in letter U. Here is U, circle it. Then where is U? U, circle it. Now where is U? Here. Okay, first you have to color it in umbrella, then find out where is letter U. Okay, then circle it. You have to do this activity at your home. I hope you all understand the letter U. Thank you. Have a nice day.